Okay, boys and girls, welcome back for another Spell It and Read It. In this list of words, we're looking at the sound spelled E-A-R and a long E spelled blank E-Y. I want you to help me spell the word and then read the word. E-A-R-T-H, earth. The sound is spelled E-A-R. Read the word. M-O-N-E-Y, money. The long E is spelled E-Y. Read the word. Money. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. And the long E is spelled with E-Y. Read the word. Honey. H-E-A-R-D, herd. The sound is spelled with E-A-R-R. Now read the word. Herd. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. The long E is spelled with E-Y. Read the word. Donkey. Number 6, S-E-A-R-C-H, search. The sound is spelled E-A-R-R. Read the word. Search. L-E-A-R-N, learn. The sound spelled E-A-R. Read the word. Learn. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. The long E is spelled E-Y. Read the word. Valley. Number 9. These are your challenge words. U-N-H-E-A-R-D, unheard. The sound is spelled E-A-R. Read the word. Unheard. V-O-L-L-E-Y, V-A-L-L, volleyball. And the long E is spelled E-Y. Volleyball is also a compound word where two words were put together. Now read the word. Volleyball. Now you're going to do the sheet that has spelled E-A-R and long E spelled E-Y, and it's page number 65. You will sort your words and put them under the correct heading. Any word that has E-A-R, the sound, will be written in the column with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any word with the long E spelled E-Y will be written under the heading beside the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your challenge words will be written underneath the numbers 4 and 8. Remember to use your best handwriting. On the back side of page 65 is 66. At the top, you're going to write the spelling word next to its meaning clue. The words are earth, money, honey, herd, donkey, search, learn, and valley. Number 9, land surface. Which of these words would be land surface? Write it on the line using your best handwriting. Number 10, a horse-like animal. Choose from these words which is a horse-like animal and write it neatly on the line. Number 11 is a food made by bees. Choose from the words 1 through 8. The number 11 is a food made by bees. Choose from the numbers 1 through 8 and write it on the line. Number 12 is low land between hills or mountains. choose from the words numbers 1 through 8 and write it on the line. At the bottom of the page, you have to circle the correct spelling for each word. Write the correct spelling on the line. Be sure you use your best handwriting.